Hello and very warm welcome to my official YouTube channel Imperial Education Arnab Bhattacharjee. My name is Arnab Bhattacharjee and I welcome you all once again. Before we start with today's topic, I urge you all to please do subscribe to our channel, because more you subscribe to our channel, we'll be bringing much relevant videos which will be very helpful to you all. Okay, as you all know that today's our topic is cover letter. You all know that what is a cover letter. Cover letter is a job application which you also send with your resume. Okay, when you are sending your resume, you need to send some application with that is job application, which is also called as cover letter. Basically cover letter we call it. Okay, so this is what your cover letter. You are covering a letter with your resume. Now why we give this cover letter? Because if we don't give cover letter, how will we be giving the additional information, like for what post are we sending this resume? Okay, for what kind of post and what are my skills, or how I will be adding values to your company. All these things we will be including this in your cover letter. Okay, so first thing that we need to cover is that your additional information, like your skills and experience about the post, about the vacancy on which you are going to apply. And you also explain your details, like how you can add value to the company. Because if you don't add value to the company, how will they understand that you need to be focused more, you need to be called for an interview? Because nowadays many of the companies are using a way to screen applicants for the available vacancies, available posts, whatever be the vacancies are there. At first they will watch your cover letter. If it is good, they will consider your resume. If it is not good, they will not consider your resume. So at first, make your cover letter catchy, and it should be simple and precise also. Okay, it should not like that you are using some of the colorful pens and sparkles and all these things. Make it simple and make it relevant to the job vacancy or job post on which you are applying. Okay, so this is what an introduction is. Now let us go that how to write a cover letter. When you're writing a cover letter, remember that I have already taught you in my first video that how to write a formal letter. Okay, that is also considered with business letter also. So you must follow my first video on this letter writing. There you can get the format of this formal letter. If you follow the formal letter format, it will be the first thing that you are going to write a cover letter. Okay, next, it should be short and precise. Don't keep it very long or elated. Okay, elongated. Just keep it in very few words and the relevant things only which are required there, because they don't have much time to watch each and everything whatever you have written. So keep only keywords, the things which they need to watch. Okay, highlight those things only which are very important for them. Next, do not use complicated words. Remember that if you are using some complicated words, they don't get time to watch every word. Okay, so try to use very simple words which are easily understandable, which are lucid, and then use the whole thing whatever you want to explain. Okay, and again, it should be completed in 3 paragraphs only, that we have discussed in our first video of letter writing. If you want to see all these things, you can see in the first and second video. I have mentioned everything of these things. Okay, now the next thing is that essential elements of a cover letter. In cover letter we talk, the first thing that you need is clarity. Because if you are not clear about what you are writing, then it is of no meaning writing a cover letter. When we are talking about keywords, so keywords are those words which are very critical to the job. Like, many people don't have some of the skills which you are going to mention. Many people want some, like many employers want some of the skills should be there with the employee. So at that time you need to put on those words which you think that an employer is finding in you. So put on those keywords. That is what keywords is. Okay, next, relevance of information. It should be relevant. You should not give any kind of things which are impertinent or irrelevant to the job. Okay, so give details and examples of all your experience which are relevant to the job. If you give examples and relevance and experience of which are relevant to the job, they will surely try to consider you. Okay, and highlight all your expertise which are required by the company. If you have expertise, you should mention that. because if you don't mention, how will they understand that? How will you demarcate yourself? Okay, so at first, these are the two things that you should and must give it in your cover letter. Next thing is brevity. Brevity means concise. Okay, your letter should be in a brief manner, it should not be in a elongated manner. Okay, so that is brevity. Simplicity, keep it simple, don't use any kind of complicated words. And timeliness, that means again it should not consume their time, because they don't have much time. They will be going through the letters of many people, so they will giving very less time to your letter. So try to give very simple and small and very relevant things, information in your letter. Next thing, as I have told you that you need to follow 3 paragraphs only. First paragraph should be introductory para. Okay, so the introductory para, what you have to do here is that it should introduce about your current position and your intention towards the job, what you are doing right now, where you are doing, what job are you doing, okay, and what is your intention towards the job for which you are applying. That should be mentioned there, and you should try to grab the attention of the employer there. How will you grab the attention of the employer? That you need to understand there. Okay, and give the reason that you are qualified for the position. I should give the reason also, because if you don't give the reason why you are qualified, how will they understand that you are qualified and you are really required for this position? Okay, so give the reason also. Now come to the body para. When you talk about body para, remember that it exhibits, it showcases what you have in for the company. Everything will be in detailed. Why, whatever you have given the reason here, that you should consider my job, you should consider my position in your vacancy, job vacancy. Why? Now you have to explain everything in the body para. So here we have written that demarcate your cover letter. Demarcate means distinguish your cover letter by quantifying and giving examples that amplify and prove the claims you mentioned. That means you have given some claims and reason that you should be supported by the example and quantifications. Okay, and next, reveal all your skills, abilities, expertise. Now whatever the expertise or whatever the abilities and skills you have or experiences do you have, just mention it here. Okay, and highlight those expertise, especially again and again I am telling you expertise, because if you highlight those expertise which are required by the company, they will surely consider your letter. Next, last paragraph is a concluding para. Now here you should describe that how you will be beneficial for the company. Just remember this and show your enthusiasm to work with the company. These two things are very important while you are writing a cover letter in concluding para. Next, some of the important things that you should not do. Okay, that is don'ts of business letter. That is lack of clarity. I have already told you that your letter should be clear. If you have lack of clarity, they will never consider you. Grammatical and spelling errors should not be there. You should be grammatical and spelling error free. Okay, now too short, it should not be too short or it should not be too long. Okay, with many or too less ideas or too many ideas, just keep it simple and short, and that should be very limited words and very catchy words which they can catch. Okay, now catchy word doesn't mean that you are going to use some sparkles and highlighter. Okay, don't do this kind of things. Don't use even any technical or complicated words. Jargons means again any complicated words which are not easily understandable by other person. So don't use this kind of words also. Okay, and offensive nature, don't be offensive in your nature while you're writing, because while writing you should be very courteous in manner. Okay, that is, you should not lack in courteous also. These things you need to keep proper attention here. Okay, and absence of relevant information, that is, it should not be irrelevant, it should be relevant only. And wrong or no address, if you are addressing someone, the address should be given there. Okay, next, business layout, letter layout basics. When we are talking about business letter layout basics, or this, because a business or formal both are the same, or cover letter also, you should try to remember that whatever you are writing, it should be in a paper that will be very clean paper. Okay, don't write in a like you have tear it from your copy or from your register and then you are started writing a letter there. No, you have to write it in a pure white paper, bond paper. Okay, and another thing, you should try to use pen that will be black or blue pen. Okay, and better if you have typed it on a computer or laptop, that will be better one. Okay, and your handwriting, especially when you are writing, your handwriting should be very clear, it should be legible. Okay, if the other person is not able to read your letter, then it is of no meaning of writing a very good letter also. It should be very clear, it should be very easily understandable. Some of the opening lines I have also given here to you, that if you are writing any cover letter, that time how you can use this kind of opening lines. So better you should note down this kind of opening lines. It will be very helpful to you while you are writing any cover letter. So for example, with reference to your letter of 8 June, we can see here, and I am writing in response to your advertisement posted on, or after having seen your advertisement in, I was referred to you by, I received your address from, and please accept this letter as my application for the position of. So these are some kind of opening lines, and now this we are going to see here closing lines. So some of the closing lines that you can use, that if you are interested, please contact me at, I look forward to hearing from you, I look forward to seeing you, I am keen to talk to you about the contribution I could make to your firm. Should you need any further information, please do not hesitate to contact me. I look forward with enthusiasm to an opportunity for job interview. So these are some of the closing lines which you can attach, which you can use in the cover letter. Now I hope you have understood that how to write a cover letter. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe, we will be bringing more videos. And if you want to know that, if you want to get any sample letter of cover letter also, please do comment. If you comment us, if you let us know that whatever you need, we will be bringing other videos which will be very helpful to you, which will be more understandable. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care.